After a 7 week of war, Palestinian is bombardment. Gaza welcomed first truce agreed with Hamas, and Israel with mixed feeling. Israel says northern Gaza is out of bounds. It displaced Palestinian attempt to use the pause fighting to return their homes. Under the Carter mediated deal with the 4-day pause. 39 Palestinian prisoners held to Israel, 13 captive in Gaza expect to be released in the coming hour, with the air track also crossing Gaza. Gaza endured another night of heavy bombardment from air, land and sea ahead of the Strait of the Truce, while Israel military raid continue across the occupied West Bank. More than 14,800 people killed in Gaza since October 7. In Israel, the official day toll Hamas attacks stand at about 1,200. Yoav Gallant has repeated the Israel government's position that our 4-day truce in only short pause, after which Israel resumed operation with full military power. We will not stop until achieve our goal. With distraction of Hamas bringing home the hostage Gaza to Israel. There are 214 hostage and it is sometimes cannot accept, we cannot tolerate. The defense minister told hostage and it is something we cannot accept, they cannot tolerate. The defense minister told of this Italian counterpart who was on the visit Tel Aviv, according to his office. Israel has killed more than 40,815 Palestinians, including some 6,115 children during what it's called a war. Hamas, after a group October 7 attack, hopes and summary moved to Tel Aviv as families wait release of loved ones. Reporting from the so-called hostage square in Tel Aviv, Sarah Khairat says some in the crowd are hopeful, but others are in a somber mood. There are also music performances, she added, with religious music and songs about the return of people, songs about the pain a mother would feel for her loved one, her child, Khairat said.